remember, we need to take care of the seals and protect their home. Them and their home. And now, friends, Mary is coming down to say thank you and bye-bye with her special way. Wow, look at that. Red and green seeds, the friends there. She will say, Kumasamnida, arigato, Maltameska, Spasibo Shloya, Baka, bye-bye. VIP in brown seats, Salut, Huba! She will say, gracias, muchas gracias, merci beaucoup, thank you, shukran jazilan, ciao ciao, wassalama, bye-bye. Friends in the green seats, you see shukriya, merci beaucoup, gracias, gracias. Bishukru lagande, stuti, salam alaikum. In the seals family, the female cow, the male pug, and the baby seal pup. And now the cow Marusa is going home. Let's say bye-bye, bye-bye.